Hello, my name is Amanda Sanchez and this is project number 6. When I turn on the switch to LED, it starts off on color equals 0 and the intensity increases as I turn clockwise up 8 levels of brightness. Then when I get to the highest intensity, it just stays there. And then when I go counterclockwise, intensity levels decrease and the LED turns off. When I press the button, the color changes to green and it increases. When I press it again, it switches to blue, increases until the 8th level of brightness, and then decreases. If I press the color again, it mixes the colors. If I keep it on red, then it mixes to yellow. If I turns to purple. Pink. Thank you.